Guys, we're preparing for the snowstorm.
Wait a damn minute.
So we're supposed to be getting like 10 inches tonight. These look so good. I low-key want to try them. It's Oreo. Ooh. I'm getting these. If I can reach. These are so good. Dad, thanks. Guys, we're like a tornado through a trailer park. This mayonnaise made it into New Hampshire.
It's official. Like,
Here, hold your southern. Are you happy Duke's mayonnaise made it
so
in?
happy.
Please sponsor me, Duke's Mayonnaise. I promise I can give you a jingle of a lifetime.
Do you love Duke's mayonnaise?
This is the only kind of mayonnaise there is. If you're eating anything else, it's not really mayonnaise.
Actually crazy, dude. Goodness, look at these cinnamon buns. Those look good. Bro, it's a giant AirPod. A boba speaker. Dollar General has a lot of cute things. Like, they never fail. They never fail, guys. They never fail. Snowstorm is supposed to have 12 plus inches and negative 40 tomorrow.
What? Where do you see this news?
On the news, bro.
Like
Okay.
when they say, I caught this big of a fish, and it was this big of a fish.
Right. Bahamas sunset.
Because what cat doesn't want to be in the Bahamas while they're...
And that's
Right?
definitely our cat doing that.
Yeah, she's
Utilizing.
loafed. Because that's all they do is they eat, sleep, and shit.
Chat.
Shit. Dad, what flavor are you getting?
Cherry berry.
Cranberry sage, coconut sandalwood. Vanilla cloud, to be basic. Get ready to fight the winter storm. You ready, Mom?
We're fighting it.
Ooh, we found something else.
Because it's not supposed to be out.